Let's write a sentence to practice cursive writing using they are. What do the children normally do? They play. So we say they are playing. Let's write they. They are playing. They are playing. They are playing. Now, in school, you practice singing. If you have a singing competition, what will you say? They are singing. Good. They are singing. They are singing. Now, you love to swim and you want to practice because you want to win in the swimming competition. So there are a lot of children. What do you say? They are swimming. Good. Or there's a huge pond. Lots of fishes are there. What are the fishes doing? They are swimming. Okay, good. They are. They are swimming. They are swimming. Good. Now, you go for a dance class and there are lots of children there. What will you say? They are dancing. They are. They are dancing. They are dancing. Look at the 4 sentences using they are. They are playing. They are singing. They are swimming. They are dancing. Let's take another set of sentences and write they are. Now, when you go to a park, what's the best game you like there? You love to run to the sliding board. And there are a lot of slides in a row. And what will you say? The children get onto the slide and you say, they are sliding. Good. Let's write they. They are sliding. They are sliding. Good. At school, what do? You write. All the children, what they do? They are writing. They write exam. They write what's on the board. They are writing. You say, they are writing. They are writing. Next, what else you do? Now, in the games field, you have two teams and you play. And then somebody wins and somebody doesn't. What do? Fighting. Yeah, you'll have to say, no, we won. They are fighting. Kurt. They are. They are fighting. Boys and girls love to go on a trip, on a cycle, competition. So what do? What do you say? They are cycling. They are cycling. They are. They are cycling. Let's read the 4 sentences using they are. They are sliding. They are writing. They are fighting. They are cycling. Let's write another set of sentences using they are. Daddy gets you a pair of skating shoes. What do? Over the weekend or during holidays, you go to a place where they teach you how to skate. And there are lots of children there. What will you say? They are skating. Good. Let's write. They are skating. They are skating. When you win in the game, what do the other friends do? They clap for you. Or they wanted to win in the game at the stadium. What they do at the sports field? They go on clapping. What will you say? They are clapping. Let's write. They are clapping. They are clapping. Teachers called on you to the sports field to select the best runner. So she makes all of you run. What will you say? They are running. They are running. They are running. After running, you're very tired. So what the teacher will say, go now. Go and eat something. So all of you start eating your snack. Then you say, they are eating. They are eating. Let's look at the 4 sentences we have written with they are. They are skating. They are clapping. They are running. They are eating.